second bidder offer. Gentlemen, who wants to kick it away first? I'm not after your best, but I'm just after a start. Where do we say go? Gee, don't tell me I've stand up to a staring match. This is a staring.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you helping the auctioneer. You're my sentimental favourite at 800,000 and a bit now. We're underway at 25 on the climb, more, but at 800,000 and a bit now. Sing it through. Thank you. Appreciate it. At 850, there's the competition, sir, right there. At 875, gentleman dials up 7/8 of $1 million at 875. Sir, square the legend. I search high, I search low. 985 is there, 990 anywhere. Right, sir, I formally pass.
990.
Okay. Well, I'll retract that statement. But that's okay. At least you know what buys it, right? You know at 990. Right out. Well, I'm having a chat to him post-auction. Be fair warned for the exclusivity of offer. Beautiful. Lovely to have you back at 995. And Mehul, your man was brave. I love him that he did it right at the death knot. But he's going to have to put up a cool $1 million now. We're going to have to get
$1 million, please.
$1 million, please, of course. At 1 million. At 1,000,000. Okay, clearly, bid it down now. Gentleman doesn't want to get nudged off this fine prize. Hold tight. We're going to sell you this fine abode at 1,005,000. Out she goes. No stranger these fellas, eh, Deepak? Do it every week. At 1,055,000. You must be tempted now. It's more fun when you're on the market. Twice at 1,005,000. What about, would you put up $1,000? 1,006,000. Okay, good luck. Good luck to both parties at 1,006,000 at 1,006,000.
Yes.
First call.
1,010,000 finished.
1,010,000. Good on you. Puts up 4,000. Puts that over the bow. Finished.
Triple million.
So he put up the cowboy. You put up the binary, all the ones and all the zeros at 1,011,000. Lee.
117.
117.
500.
Gee, they're both ensconced here, right? I've got no idea who's going to get it. Right out. So what are you? 17.5. 17.5, okay. I'll take the 500, I'll take the drinking vouchers, the shrapnel, the change.
20.
1,020,000?
Yep.
Good on you. Puts up 2.5. Right out. $1,025,000. Like for like. Loving it. Doubles me up again. Good strategy. At 1,025,000. I salute the bid. You tell me to sell it, and I sell it.
Sell it.
At 1,025,000, it's going. It is sold to you. Well done, Chief.